Hi guys, so I'm here trying to figure out how to replace the ratchet on this Triton trailer. So there is a hole underneath, but it's an awkward position. It doesn't seem like you can actually get to it. So searching online, couldn't find anything. So what I was thinking of doing is actually popping out the tail light in order to get to the nut behind the ratchet. So what I'm going to do is I try to loosen this up and the nut doesn't come off. Why I'm replacing this ratchet, 1 year old, it's in good condition, but it doesn't retract automatically. So that's the reason why I'm replacing it. So I'm gonna take that off and I try to loosen it up, but it won't come out. So what I was thinking of doing is, because they don't have a hole right behind the trailer right over here, in order to take out the nut. So what I'm going to do is, just thinking about it, and I'm going to pop out this tail light. So this way I can stick either a wrench or something to get to that nut, because there's a hole right here, but it's far from it. If it was directly behind, then I can get a socket in there and remove it, but you can't. So I'll show you how to do it. It's just my idea, thinking hopefully it works, but it should be a big enough hole behind the light so I can get to that nut. So this must be an easier way, because there's no videos online showing you how to do it. So try it and stay tuned. So my idea worked, actually. Just popped off using these pry tools. There's a set. You can buy them anywhere, or you can actually even use a screwdriver, but there's a set that I purchased. It's for interior trims and stuff like that. What I did is slowly, right around here, I popped the light off. I don't know if you can see it very well. I just got a light. Sorry. So what I did is just slowly work myself around, and I pried this out. Okay, so it is an easier way to get, even with a socket, you can use a socket to get into there. What I would recommend is be careful you don't cut any of these wires. These are your trailer wires. Okay, so what I would recommend is prying this rubber piece out. Just be careful. Now you've got a lot of room to work with. You can actually stick a ratchet back there. You can actually stick a ratchet back there and get to it. So see that hole? I was showing you. It doesn't line up with that, so you can't get a ratchet underneath. So my idea actually worked. Popping out the tail light, right? And this way you can stick a ratchet right behind here, remove the nut without losing it inside the frame of the tube. Okay, and I'll show you how I do it. All right, stay tuned. And please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like the video, that helps. All right, I'll show you at the end. I'm just replacing the strap. I'm back. Anyways, that was super easy. Actually, that only took me 10 minutes. See, with thing is, what is it? It's 9/16 I'm using. I don't know if I can focus in there. But a socket, you can actually get a nut. The nut is right there. I don't know if you can actually see it, but it's right there. Just put your socket right behind it. And what I did is, I've got my torque wrench, and it was that easy, actually. So to replace the latch, it's super easy. You don't have to go underneath. Don't go struggling to do that. Just pop out your tail light, and that's it. And now I just used the Torx in order to remove it, but now everything works properly. So now you can see I just put a new one. The manufacturer, when they came with the trailer, didn't have this, but what you can do is cut it off, or you can just hook it onto there. If you don't want it, just cut it off, and that's it, and use this part. Now you can see the new retractable works. So it's that easy, guys. So, and I'm just gonna push the button again, and you can see it latched. So it's great. That's the easiest way of doing it. Okay, hopefully this helped you out, and if it did, please leave a comment, subscribe, like. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next one.